Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you every day how to draw something. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the cute little squirrel character Chip from the new movie DC League of Super Pets. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. All of that good stuff really helps out the channel a lot and is greatly appreciated. All right, so let's get started drawing our sweet little Chip squirrel friend here. So I'm gonna start with his little nose. So it's almost like a little upside down triangle. All right, next let's do a little curve and come on up a bit here. And then come on down a bit there. And then a little smile. And now we can do a little tooth. And we can do an open mouth here. And do a little hill inside for a tongue. And now up here, we can curve. And now let's see, let's do a little swoop in here. Let's do a little U shape right there. And come on up. And come on up on the other side too. And we're going to do a big circle here. We're going to do the eyes. And we can do another eye here. And we're going to do a circle inside that shape. And another circle. And then a circle in behind that one. And we can color that one in all dark. And we're going to do the same over here. So, circle. And then another little circle, and then one in the middle, all dark. All right, so next I'm going to continue on with this little mask he's wearing. So we can kind of come out a little bit here, and then over on this side, and come on over that eye. And we can actually finish his head shape here now. So I'm going to start under the mouth and come on up and attach it to that line we had working here for the mask. And on this side, we can come on over and attach it to that mask line as well. And right here, we can come on underneath that eye and under here. So now he's got his mask, and I'm going to do a little curve line right here and right here as well, because one part of his face is one color and the other is another color, so that just kind of helps to separate it. And right here on the nose, by the nose, we're going to do a little line, and then right here between those, the top of the eyes here, we can do this little line. And he needs ears. So let's go on up and come on down and do the inside, a little inside triangle. And same over here. And come on down and inside triangle. All right, so now let's do a little arm. So we got a line. And I think maybe we can do his, maybe we'll do his hand on his hip. So we can kind of bend this now. So we're working on an elbow. We can curve right here and bring it in towards that elbow. And do the rest of the arm. And then we'll have a little fist here. Like that. And I'm going to do a little line right here because that's where the gloves start. And right here we can do a line. And we can come on down here. And he's got like a long body. So we can come on down a bit more. Come on down a bit more. And we can do a leg. And do a foot. And come on up. And curve. And we can do another one, another leg. And another foot. And we can do a line right here and a line right here. And we're going to do a little line here and one right here. Now let's do another arm. So slant downward, and then we can slant inward like that. And we can do this hand on the hip as well. Although I guess his hips are kind of more so down here because he's got such a long body, but the hand on the side. All right. Do a little arm like that, and have a little finger there sticking out. And we're going to do a line right here for the beginning of the glove. And now let's do a circle on the chest, because he's got his symbol on the chest. And we can do a circle inside. And then we're going to kind of surround that. And then we're going to do like a rectangle up top there and on the bottom as well. Okay, so we got the little lantern symbol. And now we need the tail. So we can come on out from here and come on up. Maybe I'll kind of start putting it a little bit behind the face here. And come on up. Great big tail. And then kind of curve it. And we got like a little point here. And then I will bring it back here closer, and then where we started. So we can see it's real thin here and then real big and bushy up here. All right, so we are finished our sketch, and I'm gonna get started coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, goodbye.